Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video, we are going to see polymorphism. So in OOPS concept, we have one concept called as polymorphism. So as C Sharp is a OOPS programming language, we have to learn about polymorphism in C Sharp also. So in this video, we will go through this, what is the concept of polymorphism and overwriting the methods, like how you can override the methods. We have already seen that overloading kind of concept when you are going through the methods and method parameters and how to overcome the overloading the methods we have seen. So in this thing, we are by using polymorphism is a problem. So how we are overriding that, like overriding the methods, how we are doing. So we are going to discuss in this video. So before getting started in this video, I want to mention one thing, that is, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss any update from us. So this polymorphism means like many forms. We can call it as poly means many, morphism means forms. So many forms. It occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by inheritance. This polymorphism problem will occur if you are having the inheritance concept in your program or kind of thing. So if the base class and the derived class will have the same method, like method name is same, so here polymorphism comes into this picture. Let's understand with an example. Like it has in many forms. Polymorphism means, so as we discussed about inheritance in the previous chapter, you have to know about inheritance before you have to coming to this polymorphism. So in that inheritance, what we have discussed is we can inherit from one class to another class, like we will get the properties or methods, all the like methods and fields which are present in parent class, which is called as base class, will inherit to the derived class. So whenever you make an call for the derived class, like you have created an object for the derived class, you can access the base class methods and fields also by using this derived class. This is the concept of inheritance we have seen in the previous video. If you haven't watched this video, please go to my channel and check the C Sharp playlist where you will find the inheritance video, so you can watch that video. So now comes to polymorphism. So polymorphism uses the methods, those methods, to perform different tasks. This allows us to perform a single action in different ways, like it will perform the same action but in the form of different form. So this is called as polymorphism. For example, if to understand better, we have a plus symbol, right? So in case of plus, what we'll do, we in case of integer types, we will make the addition by using that plus. When we comes in the case of strings, we are using that as a concatenate operator. Like the form of plus symbol is same, but it will be used in different forms in different cases. So this concept is called polymorphism. Like the same happens with the methods also. So those methods which perform different tasks, but it will have the same name. So task will be different, but it will be the same name. So calling the that method will be the same. But what method is executing whenever we call that method will be differs. To avoid the such kind of thing, like whenever you are calling one method, but in case of same method, it will giving the other outputs what you are not desired to get. So at the time, to override such kind of method, we use the overriding concept here. So to avoid this polymorphism kind of thing. So for example, you can see this example so that you will understand. Here you will have a base class like animal. That method has an animal sound is a method. So also we have a derived classes of these animals, like we have so many derived classes, like pigs is the derived class of animal, and also dog is the derived animal of derived from the animal class. Like pigs, dogs and birds or etc, all the derived classes from the animal base class, okay. And also they have their own implementation of an animal sound. So we have one implementation of animal sound in all the methods. Like see, in animal we have an animal sound which is have written like animals makes a sound. Some in string text is there. Whenever we comes to pig, we have the same method, like animal sound. We have like the pig says we the it is respect to that particular animal. We are changing that output string of that animal sound method here. So when it comes to dog, we are changing the tester dot says bow bow. Wow. So like this, we have derived class and base class. So after we have seen some derived class, we can access the base class methods by using derived class object. We have seen in the concept of inheritance kind of thing. So when it comes to the same method name in the derived class and base class, what will happen when we call that method by using the derived class? So that is the big question mark, right? So remember from the inheritance chapter, we use column symbol as inherited property, right? So now you can see, now you are going to create a pig and dog objects to call the animal sound method on both of them. Here's the same kind of inheritance is done. Now we have a program class where we have a main method. In that we are creating object. So for base class animal, we are creating a my animal object, and for derived classes which you have two pig class and dog class, for that we have created two objects. So now what we are doing is, by using each individual object, we are calling that method called as animal sound. So all these things are having the same method, so we are calling that. So whenever you are making an object and calling that method, it will first refer to the base class methods only, but not, it will not check the derived class methods. This base class, you even if you create an object of a pig class, it will check first the vehicle class object methods or fields. So it will go and check this animal sound method, and it will print this as an output with the animal object also, my pig object also, my dog objects also go to first base class animal class only. So you can see the output like this: the animals makes on, the animal makes on, the animals makes on. But the expected output, what we want, whenever you create an object, it will not check the derived class first, but it will check the base class first with that name. If that name match is there, it will print that itself. It will create a confusion if the same name is the present in the derived class and base class. It will give priority to the base class itself, so it will print the output which is present in the base class method. So the animal makes sounds, the animal makes sounds, the animal makes sounds. Even if you create the object of that base class itself, that will only get the output. If you get the derived class object of for that also, you will get the same. Here you can see animal is the method of that. So we are using this um, base class name here. It has instance of that, and then function class of this, like initializing an object can be done like this also. So this is the concept of polymorphism. It will overriding the derived class if there is a same name of the method. But how we can avoid such kind of thing? Like not the output we are looking for. We are not getting the output we are looking for. So how we can get that the desired output? Like we have a solution for that. The output from the above examples are probably not what you expected, right? So this is because the base class method overrides the derived class method when we share the same name. So now we are doing what? Base class method is overriding the derived class method. However, C# provides an option to override the base class method by adding virtual keyword to the method inside the base class by using the override keyword for each derived class methods. So we can override this problem or issue, the unexpected output, by using this solution. Like we have to use virtual keyword for the methods inside the base class, whatever the base class method we have here. So here we have to use like virtual keyword. So and also we have to here in the all the derived classes method, we have to use like override keyword. By using these two keywords in the base class method and the derived class method respectively, this problem will got solved. Like it will not firstly check with the base class method. This will first check with the derived class method itself, so that you will get the outputs. Like when you are creating my pig, which is a derived class of pig, it will give the string which is present in the uh, pig itself. The pig says vv, or for, in the case of dog, it will say, the dog will say bobo. Here you can see the outputs as you required. To overcome this problem, which is a polymorphism problem, it's the same method doing different operations. What we have to do, we have to do overriding of methods that can be done by using two keywords. So in the case of base class same method name, we have to use virtual, where in the derived class method name with the same method name which is present in the base class, we have to use override keyword. Here we have to use virtual keyword, so that we'll get the desired outputs as we got. It will first check with the derived classes methods. If there is a match, then it will print that itself. It will not check with the base class kind of thing. So this is all about polymorphism and overriding. So why and when we have to use this inheritance and polymorphism? Because of code reusability, as we told, right? no need to write the same function every time. We can derive and get the same properties in the other class also by using this inheritance concept. So for code reusability, we have to go for inheritance and for polymorphism. So reusing of fields and methods of an existing class, you can create a new class by that existing class by the simple modifications like this. This is a concept of polymorphism. I hope you have understood. So share these videos to your friends also who don't know about polymorphism. So that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, give a big thumbs up below and share these videos to your friends. And also, if you have any comments, please feel free to comment in the comment section. We'll definitely reply to your comments. And if you want to add any suggestions for us, you can feel free to comment in the comment section. We'll definitely take your suggestions and improve our standard of giving and standard of presentation. And if you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment. We'll try to solve your problems or like kind of things. And also, you can ask us any concept if you want to us to be explained in this form through using any online website. We can definitely make video on them also. Please place your suggestions in the comments box so that we'll understand what you are thinking about us or our videos. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.